A number line is a great way to add and subtract. Let's see how our meerkat uses the number line. First up, we'll try adding. Let's start with 6 plus 3. Largest number first. That way you do less counting. Then we count 3. 1, 2, 3. And we land on 9. So 9 is the answer. If we want to subtract, you count down the number line. To work out 5 minus 3, we start at 5 and count down 3. 1, 2, 3. Our answer here is 2. You can always rely on a number line to get you out of a hole. Whole numbers are either odd or even. Our 2 tree dwellers will help explain. Bring on the bananas! If we share an even number of bananas between our 2 swingers, they'll have the same number of bananas each. Everyone's happy. Even numbers can always be split equally between 2 and always end in a 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. But if we take this bunch of odd bananas, our furry friend has 1 less and is going ape. That's because the number of bananas was odd. Odd numbers always end in 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9. And splitting these bananas is a lot less appealing.